I'm gonna show you how my mom used to cut up collard greens. I love collard greens. I got to have them at least once a month, maybe once a week. I think it's my birthmark. Whenever I eat collard greens, I get a burst of energy. I just love them. It does something to me. But anyway, I'm going to show you how my mom used to cut up collard greens. I used to sit there and watch her just like this. Here go how my mom used to cut up collard greens. And then I'm going to show you how I cut them up. Here we go. And like I said, this is how my mom used to do it. She used to take one at a time and pull the stem out. I mean, I'm just sitting there just watching her because I wanted some collard greens. And she didn't go fast enough for me, but she took her time and she made sure the stems were out. And I just like listening to the sound of it breaks and how she cut them up. But check this out. This is what she did. Okay, once she got the stem, she threw those away and she rolled this thing up like a cigarette. Check this out. This is how she did it. Okay, now she's really roll it up like a cigarette. And this is the sound I like right here when she took the knife and started cutting these things. That's how my mom did this. And it probably would take her an hour to get this done. But I'm going to show you how I do it. Because I don't have time. I got to go. I take that and throw it away. And I know this looks like a lot of wastage. Almost 5-10 times faster. I may have a little less collard greens, but I don't have to feed that many people. But I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the pan, And I kind of like to saute mine. I don't cook them long. And no more than 10, maybe 15 minutes. I'm done. My wife and the kids, they like to cook theirs a little longer, but I like a little crunch to mine. Once it's done, just get you a little sriracha and some raw onion, and you got a meal. Alright, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.